Gwen, are the current safety standards that we have in place working? I mean, it seems like the whole system from top down is is pretty flawed.
Yes, I think that if we had a better regulatory system, we might actually have some, safeties in the system. But we have such a corrupt regulatory system, and there are so many conflicts of interest. And I can say that with full confidence because I've known a number of people while I was in the industry that walks right out of the FDA into the pharmaceutical industry as a consultant because of their network. They're extremely valuable, and they're courted by the pharmaceutical industry to come out of the FDA. And quite frankly, I was an old timer in 1985. So that was prior to the Prescription Drug User Fee Act, which was PDUFA was the acronym for it, that came out in 1992. Now that was a way for the pharmaceutical industry to fund new drug applications in the FDA. So what that in essence did was it now has the FDA fast-tracking products for approval through the system in order to get them on the market sooner, because the pharmaceutical industry say they lose $1 million a day when a drug doesn't go onto the market. So they are pushing the FDA to get things on more quickly. But the problem is then the appropriate clinical studies and all the information that we need to know about phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 clinical trials is truncated, and we don't know 50% of the side effects of the drugs once they come onto the market, so it's just a hit and miss. You have to take it and try your luck. It's a roll of the dice.
So what needs to happen?
We need to get the conflicts of interest eliminated, and that's going to be one heck of a job, which means we have to have legislation in place. People have to become politically active, whether they like it or not. It's going to be through the political system that we make changes. We can write all the letters that we want to our congressmen, but if you don't use your voice and you don't show up and you don't vote and you don't do the things that really make an impact, it won't make a difference, and we're going to all be suffering from the consequences of that.